Life is not about having everything. It's about learning to dance in the rain and using obstacles as stepping stones to success. Many of us fail to succeed because we constantly worry about external conditions. However, we must remember that the world's conditions are not changing for us. We are the world changers. And with Christ's strength, we can overcome any obstacle. Christ sent us to this sin-darkened world to be the light in the darkness. Let us pray to be the light and the brightness that this world so desperately needs. Our prayer should be, Lord, make me the light to this world. Let me brighten the corner where I am. I hope this will be your prayer today. Thank you so much. You are with me, Victor.